A CyberTruck was seen crashed into a light pole in a middle school parking lot. The CyberTruck suffered a broken tie rod after it was trying to do donuts in the parking lot. Looks like the owner underestimated the sheer power of the truck and just full sent it into the parking spot without having a foot on the brake. This is another accident where the front suspension is destroyed. We saw similar CyberTruck accidents where wheels are all the way to the side but no damage to the car. We have heard some things about how weak the suspension is and especially the control arms being way too small for the weight of the truck. This looks like the hit was pretty mild and took out the wheel completely. The fragile suspension and wheels easily popping off this CyberTruck isn't just hilarious. The cheap components breaking it is actual safety concerns that are going to get people unnecessarily hurt or killed.